Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the negative graffiti effect to your clips on the CapCut PC. So after you import your clips, you just need to go to the video effect, click on the video effect, and you'll easily find the negative graffiti. But if you cannot find on the trending, you can always just find it on the retro category. So this negative graffiti, there are three options that you can use. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So I'm going to just apply the newest one. So just download the effect first. And to apply, just click on the plus icon, and it will be applied to your clips. If you want, you can also adjust the color and also the glow on the effect. But here is how the negative graffiti effect apply to your clips. Okay, so that is how you can apply the negative gravity effect. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.